guessing game. We live in a world of guessing game. We guess how much we mean to people. We guess how much they mean to us. We weigh our pros and cons. We struggle in our own minds about what and who is important or not. We make clever, educated guesses. Other times we jump right into relationship, real and fake. Not related by blood, but spend days and nights getting to know each other. Sharing secrets and struggles, hopes and dreams, ambition and lust. Hoping that the other persons or us won't end up with envy, or worse, a nasty breakup. Ditching us or us them, pretending that we never know one another. Be it friendship or acquaintance, it's always based on guessing. If we do this, will they do as much as we expect them to? If we be good and nice, will they reciprocate the kindness we extend? If we need help, will they jump to our rescue? Never hesitate to give what we desperately need? Or else, will they weigh their own pros and cons like what we do with ours? We guess and never know for sure until one day things happen and not only shits. And we're left with realization that we're not as special as we think we are to other people. Deaths and loss and misery and tears and suffering are the best times to check who remain and who never bother to come from the first place. For people join hands in parties and celebrations and feasts. People gather when there is neither doubt nor worry for the future. People stay when everyone believes that tomorrow brings not its own problems like today does. But people dislike bad luck and again loss and separation. Those who stay by our side at that very moment are hard to find, even much harder to maintain. Those who stay will play another guessing game with us and our minds. Do we matter to them as they matter to us in a way or another? Will they eventually decide to leave, or will we leave once we're running out of common interests, goal, and most importantly, love and affection? There must be something to bind us with them, total strangers. If it's not love, then what? If it's love, then how much? Once again, we're down to guessing game between their minds and ours, their hearts and ours, all over again until we realize what's the use of keeping prejudice and presumption when we are also at fault for giving out hope that we can love unconditionally, while we will never be able to do so without having our own agenda, our own desires to fulfill. So what will be, will be. If it's love, then be it affection. If it's ignorance, then may we never cross each other's path again. If it's hate, we pray that whoever loses is the one who is being hated, and not the other way around. The guessing game starts whenever we open our eyes, listen to other people talking constantly about what they think and of course want. The guessing game ends when the coffin is closed, the carnation withers with time, and those who mourn stand in silence, contemplating on how to move on how to get on with life and its occupants. As the day breaks, so does the guessing game start, one day after another, until our souls depart. Then the game will be continued by our descendants, those who are in touch with people who we think matter most to us, or we matter more to them. Nobody really knows the end of a guessing game, waiting on our mind, initiating a war when there should be peace within. We should not care at all if they do right by us, as long as we do right by them. I relieve myself from this guessing game, for I have better things to do with this life and breath and time on an opportunity, rather than gambling and being sucked deep into the world of questioning things which needn't be questioned at all.